Today, we're unraveling one of the most talked about topics in the tech world, OpenAI's GPT-5. Released on August 7th, 2025, this new model promised to be smarter, faster, and more capable than anything we've seen before. But is it the AI revolution we've been anticipating, or just another wave of hype washing over us? We're going to dive deep into GPT-5's features, pit it against its predecessor, GPT-4, explore real user reactions from across the internet, stack it up against formidable competitors like Claude 4 Opus, Gemini, and Grok 4, and even touch on its practical uses and some serious ethical concerns. Buckle up, because we're getting into the good, the bad, and yes, even the ugly sides of GPT-5. First things first, what exactly is GPT-5? OpenAI rolled it out as a significant upgrade, unifying their models into a more streamlined system with what they call enhanced multimodal capabilities. That's tech speak for saying it handles text, images, voice, and even some video inputs better than ever. The key highlights they've pushed include PhD-level reasoning, top-tier coding prowess, and the ability to process complex queries with what they claim is human-like understanding. According to the official release notes, GPT-5 boasts a staggering 30 to 50% faster response time compared to previous models. This means snappier interactions for everything from casual chats to professional tasks like coding or creative writing. OpenAI hyped it as smarter and faster, a true leap forward. Multimodal functionality means you can upload an image and ask questions about it, or generate voice responses that sound incredibly natural. Sounds impressive, right? But let's see if the reality lives up to the hype. Now for the million-dollar question. How does GPT-5 truly stack up against its predecessor, GPT-4? On paper, it's a clear step up. Benchmarks show GPT-5 outperforming GPT-4 in areas like reasoning and complex math problems by about 15 to 20%. And that speed? Responses that once took seconds now arrive in mere milliseconds. For coding tasks, GPT-5 handles more intricate algorithms and debugging with fewer errors, seemingly making life easier for developers. But here's where the narrative gets interesting. Not all improvements are universally celebrated. Some users have noticed that GPT-5 sometimes adopts a more robotic tone compared to GPT-4's often praised human feel. In the realm of image generation, GPT-5 has surprisingly faced criticism for poorer quality outputs, often described as inconsistent or blurry compared to GPT-4's more refined results. So while speed is a definite win, depth and personality seem to be a bit of a mixed bag. If you're considering an upgrade from GPT-4, you might love the newfound efficiency, but occasionally miss the warmth. GPT-5 has sparked a wide range of reactions, highlighting its impressive capabilities in general conversation, while also revealing areas where it falls short. While many find it to be a phenomenal everyday chat model, its performance in specialized tasks like code generation has led some to prefer alternative tools. There are also reports of it exhibiting frustrating repetitiveness in certain interactions, and even inconsistent outputs, leading to a sense of stressful gamble for some. This clearly indicates that GPT-5 is polarizing. It's a powerhouse for some and a source of frustration for others. It shines in speed and raw intelligence, but can stumble on consistency and nuanced creativity. So how does GPT-5 stack up against the broader competition? Let's pit it against Claude 4 Opus, Google's Gemini, and xAI's Grok 4. First, Claude 4 Opus from Anthropic. This model is a recognized beast in coding, often preferred by developers for its precision and lower rate of hallucinations. Some users explicitly stick with Claude for code, finding GPT-5 less reliable in that specific domain. Benchmarks often place Claude ahead in ethical reasoning and robust safety features, but GPT-5 generally edges it out in sheer speed and complex multimodal tasks. Next, Google's Gemini. Gemini's strength lies in its seamless integration with Google services and its ability to handle real-time data efficiently. However, when it comes to raw reasoning power, GPT-5 tends to surpass it. Gemini's image generation is often cited as more consistent, directly addressing one of GPT-5's noticeable weak spots. Overall, Gemini often feels more practical for everyday users, while GPT-5 aims for the pinnacle of advanced intellect. Then there's Grok 4 from xAI. Built with a unique focus on truth-seeking and less censorship, Grok 4 often matches GPT-5 in reasoning capabilities and introduces unique features like an advanced voice mode on mobile apps. Elon Musk has famously hyped it as more helpful and maximally truthful, and in benchmarks it holds its own impressively in coding and handling complex queries. Crucially, Grok 4 aims to avoid some of the hallucination pitfalls by its very design, making it a compelling alternative for those who are wary of OpenAI's marketing claims. If we were to visualize this, GPT-5 might lead in raw speed, Claude in coding accuracy, Gemini in ecosystem integration, and Grok in reliability. There's no single clear winner. It truly depends on your specific needs and priorities. We can't ignore the ethical considerations. Hallucinations persist, which can lead to the spread of misinformation, especially sensitive areas like health advice or news. The recent Illinois AI therapy ban highlights the very real risks of using models like GPT-5 for counseling, as Irene Lee's experience underscored. Safety gaps are still present. Models like Claude, for instance, often set a higher bar with built-in refusals for potentially harmful content. While OpenAI is continuously working to improve, many critics argue it's not enough. As AI grows smarter and more integrated into our lives, we desperately need better safeguards against inherent biases and potential misuse. So, what do you think? Have you tried GPT-5 yourself on ChatGPT? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Let us know if you noticed significant improvements or have you encountered any frustrations.